Well, there's a fresh new tool out there that everyone can use to create a large passive income simply by copying and pasting images. And I can't wait to share it with you so you can start earning as well. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. The first step is to visit Pexels.com. Pexels is a library of over 10,000 copyright-free photos and videos. You can type in the keyword and get access to loads of content, which you can use because it has a Creative Commons license. So today I will show you how to use these photos with one free tool to make thousands of dollars from anywhere in the world. Anyway, with that being said, step number 1 is to go to Pexels.com. Step number 2, before you go over to this tool that is basically going to help you make money on complete autopilot, you need to decide which category or niche you want to focus on so you can get those photos from Pexels.com, and you can basically use any of these categories all the way from animals and pets all the way down to business, investment, computer, and internet, dancing, music, so on and so forth. You can choose any of these categories you prefer, and I highly recommend you choose and focus on the one that you personally like so that this is going to be a fun process for you so that you can make this with ease. And just as an example, I will be using the business, finance, and make money online niche. And of course, you can select whatever you want from that list, and that's a step number 2. Choose your niche. Step 3 is to return to Pexels.com and search for a category. Search for your niche. In this case, that's going to be business, finance, and making money online. So I can search for business. I will type in the keyword in this box and I will search for it. Now that's going to give me loads of different business-related photos, copyright-free, which I can use on any other website. And these are all absolutely free. In fact, I don't even have to create an account on Pexels.com to download all of these photos with full license to use them for a lifetime. All I have to do is click on it. Click on free download and it will be immediately downloaded to my computer. Go to Pexels and search for your niche. Then download as many high-quality photos as you possibly can, like at least 30 to 40 of those images from your niche. The fourth step, now you must begin using this tool, which we never mentioned on this channel before, but it will actually make you some money on complete autopilot simply by copying and pasting those photos, and you will see exactly how it works. Now this is over at omnilink.iconosquare.com. OmniLink is a tool that acts as a landing page builder for different links, and it's completely free to sign up to it. You can see one link and list traffic. Most of the features on this website are limitless, so you will see exactly how it works and the unified space for your redirections. Stop wasting time updating links in your bio. Create a unique and customizable landing page and drive maximum traffic to any URL you like. So this is going to be a huge boost for this strategy, and you will see why. So actionable steps are to go to omnilink.iconosquare.com. Click on the sign up button right here to get started. As you can see, you will sign up for free. Enter your valid email address in this box, create a password, confirm password, and you can leave this box blank and just tick this box to tell them that you agree, and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on some of these 2 links. And you are ready to go. You can click sign up and you have created an account. So go back and start this step number 4 by going to omnilink.iconosquare.com. Sign up for free, and I highly recommend you follow and complete all of the steps as we go so that by the end of the video, you will have everything ready and set up to start making money. Step 5 is to go to Instagram.com or install Instagram app on your smartphone device. It's of course available for both iOS and Android, and I'm sure most of you already have this app on your smartphone device. Anyways, once you've signed up to Instagram, you want to create a brand new account and you want to create a page all around your niche and your business. In your case, it might be dancing or whatever category or niche you have chosen. So if the category you chose at the beginning of this video was dancing, then make your page to be all about dancing. And you can get ideas for your page from other bigger pages and to look at other people's pages and have them as your inspiration. You will set up a nice profile picture, a decent username, a nice bio, and that's it for now. Step 5 is to sign up for Instagram and create an account. The 6th step, once you've set up your account, you'll want to start pasting those photos from Pexels.com. So just start uploading them to your brand new account. Just upload as many as you possibly and repeat the process again and again. It's really easy and you can do it in less than 5 minutes. Step 7, now that you have some links to post in your OmniLink account, you will need to go to a website called Digistore24, which can be found at digistore24.com. This is an affiliate marketplace where you can get thousands of different products from all of the different categories from all of those niches. So chances are you'll be able to find a suitable product on this website. So even if you're in the music category, you can find affiliate products that you can promote and earn decent commissions on. And if you're in the cooking niche, you can find cooking products as well. And in my niche, that's going to be the business and finance niche. So all you have to do is go over to digistore24.com. Click on Start Now. It's free to sign up and you'll be able to create a new account in less than 2 minutes. You may set up your account and log in. Once you sign up for your brand new account in digistore24.com, you will be able to browse different categories and thousands of different products that you can promote and earn decent commissions on. It's absolutely free to promote those products and you can earn commissions without doing any work. So I'll show you exactly how it works. So I'll choose business. So I'll choose that category and that will offer me for now a few different products that I can promote. To start promoting a product from digistore24.com, simply click on the Promote Now button right here. This will give you your unique special link which you can copy and it will take people to the landing page where they can sign up for the product, where they can buy the product and you will earn a commission completely passively without having to create a product, without having to sell anything and without having to deliver anything. If you think that's powerful, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. Alright, step number 8. Now you will need to properly set up your OmniLink so that you can start making money on complete autopilot. To do so, you will need to customize your link. So right here, you can enter a keyword to make your link look more appealing and more professional. For example, something related to my niche will be a business investor. And now my link will look like omnil.inc/business investor. And the display name should also be something related to your page or at least something related to your category. Now I can start sending people to this landing page where they can see my call to action right here and then instant access to different offers that I'm promoting. So what I want to do is copy that Omni link. You can start sharing it. When you send people to that link, they can sign up for all of these different offers. It's as simple as that. Now let's start driving traffic to this landing page so you can finally start making money on autopilot. And the final step is to just edit your profile and add that Omni link into your bio and add a call to action above it so that all the people who come to your account can see it. Click on that link and be redirected to the landing page where they can access different programs so you can make those affiliate commissions on complete autopilot. So once you add that Omni link to your bio, I want you to search for different big pages within your niche. In my case, that's going to be business and making money online. So I can search for business keywords or finance, open up some of those pages, and I will start following people that follow those pages. As a result, this is a long-term effort. This is a long-term strategy for making money online. But once established, you may earn a decent passive income every day. Once you have all of this in order, you will basically have a sustainable online business on which you can rely and attract a large number of customers. It's obviously not going to be easy, but it will definitely pay off if you stick with it and keep copy-pasting those pixels photos so you can keep people engaged on your platform. The more posts you have, the higher the chances of them following you back. Keep following people that are following big pages in your niche and continue to copy and paste those pixels images daily. And that's it. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.